All right, how you doing? I'm just doing this a little different. Sorry for the neighbor mowing the yard, but we just got the new DJI Osmo Action 4, the Adventure Combo. Paid full retail price, not a sponsored video. I don't know about you, but I'm kind of sick of the GoPros and all their problems, so we are going to try something new if I can figure out how to open the box. Okay, we open here. We have the camera and the accessories. And then what do we have? Oh, that's right, I forgot. We got the selfie stick too. So it's supposed to have the camera and 3 batteries and a charger, as well as the cables. Most importantly, a silica package. And manuals none of us ever read. So there is the charger case. And look, 3 batteries, just like they advertised. Okay, here's a mount, USB cable, the camera itself. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, what is this? Oh hey, that's the camera. What is this? Okay, that's the frame for it. Okay, let us open this camera. I should have done this inside, would be a whole lot easier. But it's such a beautiful day, and it's September already, and we might as well enjoy it while we can. No surprises there. It looks just like a GoPro. I just hope it works a ton better. Okay, our USB port. What's under here? You know, I don't even know how to open it. Is that sad or what? Yeah, I don't even know how to open it. Huh, interesting. Should have watched a how-to video before I did this, huh? So, push in on that dude. You know, that's a good question. How do you open this booger? Oh, there you go. That's where the SD card goes. I have a 64 gig hard right here for right now, but I'm gonna be buying some new cards. I think I've been having some problems with my cards here lately, so I'm not even sure if this card's gonna work. Let's see. Oops. Just try a battery right out of the get-go. Which way does it go in? I think like this. Okay. What does that say? Tighten the lens protective cover before taking it in the water. Well, it'll see rain, but I never plan on putting this in the water. If it's in the water, call 911. Something bad happened. Go ahead and close that back up. So here's our power button. See if the batteries come with enough power to turn it on. Hey, it looks like it. English. Okay, it doesn't like my format. Scan the QR code to download the software. Connect the camera to activate. Well, at least it booted up. I guess I'll have to do that. I'll be back. Oh, cool. Gives you a video. Neat. Well, that's pretty cool. I don't know that I need visual flight for this, do I? Huh. Had I read, it says I have to download the DJI Mimo. So we will do that. And be back. Okay, all the lawyer stuff none of us ever read. I'm not going to join anything. Oh, sure, send me some notifications. Sure. Sure. Don't track me. You don't need to know where I'm at. Tap here to connect your device. Yeah, I really don't know what I'm doing. Oh, guess I didn't press it good enough. Okay. Accept. Okay. I guess I gotta hit that accept. Alright. I knew that. Of course, if you don't agree, you can't use it, no matter what it says. Allow access. Camera information will be paired to your account, will serve as a basis for maintenance. Okay. I don't have a DJI account. I guess I gotta register. I'll be back. Okay. Alright. Hopefully I've done this right. I logged into the account. Allow access. Activating. If you want to buy a plan, you click down here to activate. We're going to ignore the beginner guide because I'm an idiot. I don't have that. I don't have DJI Care. I mean, I might. I'm going to skip it. That's what we got to do. Skip it. Alright. No. No. Alright. So, battery's almost dead. Okay. Goes through that. Alright. 4K. Yeah. See, I don't know what I'm doing. I gotta figure out how to format the SD card. Hey, maybe this has something to do with it. Alright. Let's see, I'm gonna zoom. Custom modes. Quick switch menu. Brightness. Settings. There we go. Formatting the SD card. I haven't used this SD card in forever, so I hope it works. Okay, it says I have 59 gigabytes of SD card. Well, right, it says it's recording. Alright, cool. Oh, I'm in slow motion mode. Alright. Well, it's loud enough, even my deaf self can probably hear it. Tap to set, so, yeah. So, I want 4K. I personally like 60 frames per second. Rocksteady. Rocksteady Plus. Let's do that. Okay. 4K, 60 Rocksteady Plus. Says I have 70 minutes of record time. Let's just do a quick, does it record? Check it out. All right, I have what appears to be a working camera. Look for later this year for a review video on this, but all right, here's step one, hopefully. Hi, Mom, of getting rid of the GoPro Heroes. I'm going to keep my Hero 10s for a B-roll. I've already sold my Hero 7s. All right, if you kind of like this quick intro and all the cool stuff you get, if you would, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't, mash that subscribe button down below. And before we say goodbye, I took the batteries inside to charge, since that one's all but dead. Let's see what's in here real quick. I believe this is the mount I'm going to need for my helmet. So you got some screws. They packaged it really cool. Sticky mount that I don't need, and what appears to be another quick connect thing here. All right, cool. And I also bought a microphone for this. We will see how that works. Now, I don't know if there's going to be any aftermarket support. The downside is to put the microphone in, I've got to have it exposed. I wish action camera companies would understand that a bunch of us are going to be using these in all weather, that it would sure be nice to have a microphone attached and be somewhat weather resistant. Okay, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks a bunch.